So welcome back, and let's go back to AutoCAD layers tips and tricks. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to layers properties here. Let me just click on layers properties here, and I'm going to select on the layers that I want to single out or gray out or to highlight the layers that we want to remove from this list. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to starting to select one by one. I'll select on 3D drawing. So I'm going to press Control and select whatever I don't want here, like the ones I'm picking here, and go ahead and select everything here and come here once again and select layer 2 there, and all these I don't want to be included in my plan. So I'm going to just highlight them, and I'm going to select on that, select on everything there, and leave out what we had previously redefined or customized. And I've selected everything that I want to delete. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to right click and come to delete. So I'm going to select delete layers. So if I click on delete layers, I'll be able to click close. But you can see we have some warning here that 15 out of 30 layers, selected layers could not be deleted. The following layers cannot be deleted because they are still linked to these particular parts of this model. So I'm just showing how you can get rid of that. So let me just first of all go ahead and click close, and the ones that will be able to be deleted will be deleted. So you can see the number has decreased. So this is what we wanted. So a reason why we cannot delete the rest is because we've not pulled them from the previous layer to a newly defined layer. So just to due to time constraint, I've just showed you how you can do that, and I can leave that to you to do it by yourself. So I'm going to close this. So now I'm going to show you how we can create a block or convert an object in AutoCAD into a block. Like you can see this one here. You can see this one. If I select on this, you can see this is a block. And if I come to this one here, you can see this is disjointed, and we want to make it as a block. There's a one way that people use as grouping, but it's not normally professional. It doesn't look professionally done. So let's kick into that, or let's jump into that in the next presentation, and let's meet then. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and bye bye. Let's meet then.